Okay, it's time to check out these grow bags and see if we have any ginger growing in them that we planted a long time ago. Okay, all the vines that was growing and leaves of the ginger that was growing in here, they done died off. So I gotta dig through here and see if I'm gonna find any ginger. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Pull all of this straw back. Let's see. Okay. Oh, look here, y'all. Look here, y'all. Look here. I have some ginger. I have some ginger. Look at that. Look at that. Ginger grown in Big Mama's garden. Look at that. My first ginger. Ooh, it has a ginger smell to it too. Okay. Let's see, that's one. Let's see if I'm gonna come up with anything else. It's coming better than I did with my turmeric because I didn't have any of the turmeric come up through any from what I had planted. Let's see about this ginger. Any more ginger in here? Let's see. I don't know how far down I gotta go to find it. I think I had planted three ginger in each bag. Ooh, look at here. There goes another little piece of ginger. Don't look like I'm gonna find any more. Okay. Look at this here. That's another little bitty piece. Maybe all I'm gonna find in this grow bag. Okay, so this is what I found in this grow bag. These pieces of ginger. Okay. Let me look in the other bag and see what I'm gonna find. Okay, look in this bag. I can see some sticking out. Ooh, look at that. That's a big piece. Gotta clean all of this dirt off of it. Look at that. Ooh, and it smells good. Okay. Look right here. I see another one. Ah, look at my ginger I grew. Look at that. Ooh, it's smelling good. Okay, let's see any more in this bag? I put 3 little small pieces of ginger in each one. Let's see. I'm gonna find any more in here. That look like that's the one, the little one I planted. The little ginger starter one I put in there. Okay. I got 2 nice pieces out of this one. Okay, didn't do too bad in these grow bags. I think that may be it. That may be it. First time growing ginger. And look what I got. Ah! Not too bad for the first time. And I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of ginger out of 6 small pieces that I broke off of some ginger that I got from the store. And I planted them in these grow bags. Now I have some ginger. I'm gonna grind it up and make me some ginger powder. Okay, my ginger's all cleaned up now. Looking beautiful. Ginger grown in Big Mama's garden.